जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार चैनल फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड। Mongolia, a nation bordered by China, Russia, is known for vast rugged expanses and nomadic culture. Its capital, Ulaanbaatar, centers around Genghis Khan Square, named for the notorious founder for the 13th and 14th century Mongol Empire. The relations between India and Mongolia are still at nascent stage, and Indo-Mongolian cooperation is limited to diplomatic visits, provision of soft loans and financial aid, and the collaboration in the IT sectors. China-Mongolia relations or Sino-Mongolian relations refers to the bilateral relations between Mongolia and the People's Republic of China. Country. Continuation of return of soldiers continues. Removed hot springs and Gorga. Education. The result of Jharkhand board 10th will be released today. Sacraments. A permanent oxygen tank built to accommodate growing patients in Surat. Environment. Panna National Park is a national park located in Panna and Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh in India. It has an area of 542.67 km square. It was declared in 1993 as the 22nd Tiger Reserve of India and the 5th in Madhya Pradesh. Panna was given the Award of Excellence in 2007 as the best maintained national park of India by the Ministry of Tourism of India. Invention. The speed of light is vacuum, commonly denoted c, is a universal physical constant important in many areas of physics. Its exact value is defined as 29,97,92,458 meters per second or 1,86,000 meters per second. It is exact because by international agreement a meter is defined as the length of the path travelled by light in vacuum during a time travel of second. Great person. Kanad was born on unclear 6th to 4th century BC. Kanad, also known as Kashyap Ulku Kannada and Kannabhuk, was an ancient Indian natural scientist and a philosopher who founded the Vaishashiki school of Indian philosophy that also represents the earliest Indian physics. Estimated to have lived sometime between 6th century to 2nd century BC, little is known about his life. His traditional name Kanad means atom eater, and he is known for developing the foundation of an atomistic approach to physics and philosophy in the Sanskrit text Vaishika Sutra. State. Arunachal Pradesh is the northeasternmost state of India. It borders the state of Assam and Nagaland to the south. It shares international borders with Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, and a disputed border with China in the north at MC Mohan line. Its capital is Itanagar. Crops. Fenugreek is an annual plant in the family Fabaceae with leaves consisting of 3 small ovate to oblong leaflets. It is cultivated worldwide as a semi-arid crop. Its seed and leaves are common ingredients in dishes from the Indian subcontinent. Fruits. Blueberries are perennial flowering plants with blue or purple berries. They are classified in the section Savancosh with the genus Vaccinium. Vaccinium also includes cranberries, bilberries, nucleberries, and merida berries. Commercial blueberries, both wild and cultivated, are all native to North America. Flowers. Miscelia is a historical genus of flowering plant belonging to the Malongia family. The genus included about 50 species of evergreen trees and shrubs native to tropical and subtropical South and Southeast Asia, including southern China. Today it is regarded as synonym of Mongolia. Several of the largest species are locally important sources of timber. Some species, including champak and Michela dolstopa, are grown for their flowers both on the tree and as cut flowers. Yoga, Vrishchikasana or scorpion pose is an inverted asana in modern yoga as exercise that can combine some forearm balance and back bend. Light on yoga treats both forearm and hand balance form as variants of this pose. It is part of headstand cycle in some yoga tradition. The health benefits of Vrishchikasana strengthens the arm, toes the reproductive organs, improves circulation in the lower limbs and abdomen. Universe, the Kizilkum Desert is the 15th largest desert in the world. It means red sand in Turkish language. It is located in Central Asia in the dome between the rivers Amu Darya and Shir Darya, a region historically known as Transconania and Shogdiana. It is divided between Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. It covers about 298,000 kilometers square. Maths. In mathematics, a linear equation is an equation that may be put in the form where x k power 1, x power n are the variables and b e to power 1 and e to power n are the coefficients, which are often real numbers. The coefficients may be considered as parameters of the equations and may be arbitrary expression provided they do not contain any of the variables. To yield a meaningful equation, the coefficients e to power 1 and e to power n are required to all not the b0. Ayurveda. Typhonia venusum is a species of plant in the arum family. Aracia, it is native to Asia and Africa, where it grows in forest and riparian meadows. It is grown as an ornamental plant. Its common names include Wardo lily and monarch of the east. Village town. Haridwar, also spelled Hardwar, is a city and municipality in the Haridwar district of Uttarakhand, India, with a population of 228 lakh 832 in 2011. It is the second largest city and in the state and the largest in the district. The city is situated on the right bank of the Ganga river at the foothills of the Shivalik range, Haridwar. Today's event, National Best Friends Day. 1497, Vasco da Gama set sail on the first direct European voyage to India. 1716, the Battle of Danexkilen forces Sweden to abandon its invasion of Norway. 1758, French forces hold Fort Tallien against the British at Ticonderoga, New York. Base temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 28 degrees Celsius. A newspaper is a periodical publication containing written information about current events and is often typed in black ink with a white or grey background. Newspaper can cover a wide variety of fields such as politics, business, sports and art, and often include materials such as opinion columns, weather forecast, reviews of local services, obituaries, birth notice, crosswords, editorial cartoons, comic strips and advice columns. The history of newspaper. In ancient Rome, acta diurna or government announced bulletins were produced. They were carved in metal on a stone and posted in public places. In China, early government produced news sheets called Dibao, circulated among court officials during the late. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।